It's coming this way. We got tornadoes, baby. Woo-hoo! It is big.
This guy's loving it like he's calling a basketball game. The National Weather Service survey teams are out assessing the damage from as many as 11 tornadoes that swept across Nebraska and parts of Iowa. Storm chasers, who naturally have a lot of enthusiasm when they see something like this, grabbed their cameras as the twister moved in north of Omaha. Now, this storm system started with damaging hail, softball size in some areas, but then the building that Mark and Kathy Peterson used for their Amazon business was destroyed. Their 2 homes were spared. Neighbors say that they saw those ominous clouds and they quickly headed for their shelters.
Twisting around right there, full of dirt, just like you see in the movies.
I was in a bit of a panic because my dog, like I said, my dog was outside on the porch and she lived through it. How is a blessing.
Blessing is right, the Peterson's dog doing just fine, and also no reports of any other injuries to pets or humans.